Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see how to sign up for Shopify Affiliate Program. First thing first, go to Shopify Affiliate Partners website at partners.shopify.com. Click join and then enter your name, email address and password, then click create account to continue. Shopify will send you a verification email. Open it and click the verification link within 24 hours to confirm your email. Then select My Shopify Partners and click Create an account to move forward. Now fill in a few extra details such as your business name, country of residence or preferred language. Scroll down, then select your business goals such as developer, designer, marketer, freelancers, or agency. Before finishing, make sure to read and agree to Partner Program agreement at the bottom of the page, then click View Your Dashboard. You'll now be in your Shopify Partner Dashboard, the hub where you can manage your client stores, track your projects and earnings, and access tools and training. Take some time to explore the dashboard and learn how to build or manage Shopify stores efficiently. And that's it, guys. As simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.